All right, we've made it to the final video. Now let's talk about how you can actually use this toolkit in your work, whether you're a freelancer, internal strategist, or consulting team. The slides you've got aren't just educational, they're sellable, usable assets. So here are four smart ways to apply them. Use case one, client pitches. These slides you can use in your client pitch decks. When you're speaking to a potential client, especially one considering digital transformation, these slides help you show that you're not just talking theory. You have a method. So tailor the content to the client's vertical, which means retail, finance, or logistics. It depends on the client. Show them a roadmap, framework, pillar strategy, and clear governance. Thereby, you build trust by showing a structured, repeatable approach. Next up, if you work inside a company, you can use this for internal alignment. Present the deck to executives or department heads so you can drive clarity. Use the roadmap and RACI matrix to show who owns what. This helps get people on the same page fast. I've seen this used successfully in kickoff meetings, quarterly reviews, and when executives are steering groups. Here are the workshops. You can run working sessions where you use the strategic pillars slide to spark the discussion, to begin it. You can then print them out, there's a PDF format, or digitally share the risk slide for brainstorming. Map initiatives directly onto the roadmap using sticky notes or tools like Miro. This is where the deck becomes collaborative. It's not just a presentation. And finally, monetize it. Package this deck and your videos into a paid product or mini course. Offer it as a bonus for your email subscribers or coaching clients. Use it as a lead magnet to grow your list and upsell consulting calls or toolkits. You have already done the work. Now you can turn it into income and impact. So there you go, a full transformation toolkit and a plan for how to use it in real life. You're now equipped to pitch clients with confidence, run strategic sessions like a pro, and turn your expertise into a product. Now get out there and start turning strategy into action.